Hi there, students. An equation. Okay, an equation is a mathematical statement. It shows that two things equal each other. So, an equation, 5y squared plus 3y minus 15 equals 0. That would be an equation. Or the area of a circle is pi r squared. Or the current or the voltage in a circuit is the current times the resistance. These are all different equations. PV equals nRT, pressure times volume, equals the number of molecules times a constant times the temperature. Okay, these are all equations. Or in chemistry, you have a chemical equation used to show what happens during a reaction. Acid plus alcohol goes to ester plus water. 2Fe plus 3O2 goes to Fe2O3. Iron oxide. It's showing a chemical reaction. But then we also use this more metaphorically. Something comes into the equation. Managing our lives is a complex equation. And here we're using this word equation as a situation. A situation where you need to take various factors into account. We need to take cost into the equation, or perhaps quality is directly proportional to how much you pay, but there are also other factors in the equation. A company wants to maximize their profitability, but there are many different and complex factors in the equation. You need to take various factors into the equation. So you are seeing the effects of something. The work-life balance is an equation that we all have to work out. How much money do we need, and how much free time do we need? And getting that equation right is almost impossible. So it's a complex situation with various different elements and factors. Okay, if you're going to be the Chancellor of the Exchequer, the Chancellor, you need to find a solution to the equation about spending money and taxes and how happy the voters are. Okay, a situation where there are a number of different conflicting elements, and each of these different conflicting elements comes into the equation, is part of the equation when you try to find a solution. So it's a situation in which two or more parts have to be considered together so that you can understand the whole situation. The relationship between research and how much you spend on research and the company producing new products can be a complex equation. If we do it like this, it will take the risk out of the equation, out of the situation. Okay, so we're using this word, an equation, to talk about the various different factors within a situation. So equation is equating various different things. Okay, so money normally comes into the equation for humans. Okay, we have to take luck out of the equation. The equation between wealth and happiness can be a very difficult one to work out. Okay, so an equation. Okay, so equation, formality, 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, aequatio, equalizing, to make equal. So an equation is something that equalizes the distribution. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Equation.